Hi there, my name is Brittany Bundy, and I'm one of the math teachers here at Grand Forks Central High School. One of the courses I teach is Algebra 1. So I'm just going to go over a brief um, overview of what our year will look like. So here are some of the topics we cover. The first half of the year we spend basically just on linear writing and solving equations, graphing them, and same thing with inequalities. And then the second half of the year are kind of our more challenging topics, I think. We spend it talking about exponential functions, polynomial functions, quadratic functions, radical functions, just a lot of functions, right? And then we end the year with data analysis and displays. I will be using Google Classroom as kind of our hub for everything. Here, I will be posting weekly calendars, assignments, and links to the video lessons. So if your students ever wondering what they need to do, they can always just check out Google Classroom, and that will be probably where they can find their answer. And grades will obviously be updated weekly, if not daily. I'm going to try to be as paperless as I can be here for being a math class. So a lot of our assignments will be done through the platform provided by our textbook called Big Ideas Math. Your students have already done a few assignments on this website, so they should be pretty familiar with it. But if you don't see them, working with pencil and paper or turning something in like that, know that they are still doing their homework. It's just now online. And lastly, I would just like to say I'm so excited that we are able to be in person right now. I'm looking forward to our school year, and I'm just really excited that we are able to be together in person. Again, my name is Brittany Bundy. Here is my email. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding your student. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.